Is the private likes feature not working on the Threads app? If you can't hide your like privacy settings aren't being saved, or your liked posts are still visible when they shouldn't be, it can affect your privacy on Threads. In this video, I will show you how to fix private likes on Threads app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Threads. You will tap here. Then here in this page, you will go to the sign off profile. You will go to above. In this window, you will click on this window of privacy, and then we click on private likes, and you will tap here to fix this problem. So please don't forget to press the bell icon, subscribe.